this video, I'm going to go over the process on how to install WSL on your Windows system. The first thing you're going to do is go to the search bar and check for updates on your Windows system. If your system is up to date, that is great. You can keep going with the installation. If you have pending updates, download and install the updates and then move to the WSL installation. Since I am already up to date on my system, I'm going to go ahead and continue installing WSL. I'm going to open a PowerShell session, but I'm going to start this session as an administrator. So what you do is you hover over the PowerShell, right click and run as an administrator. Click yes. And now that you're in PowerShell as an administrator, let's check and see if WSL has already been configured in your system. So to check that, you type in WSL --status. It's going to tell you WSL, or the Windows subsystem for Linux, is not installed. Another way you can check this is by typing WSL space -- list space -- verbose. Click enter. It's going to give you the same information. When you run that command line though, you might see this message, and it's basically telling you that it can automatically install WSL for you. In my case, I hit Control C because I want to have control on how to install it. So I'm going to clear this screen, and then I'm going to type in WSL space -- install and hit enter. And the installation is going to start. What is the difference between typing this command line then allowing the system to auto install it? There is no difference. This is just a personal preference. It has downloaded the Windows subsystem for Linux, and now it's installing it. And that's it. As you can see, successfully installed WSL on the system, and now you need to reboot. I'm going to do it by typing shutdown space /r/t/0. The 0 at the end, it means that it needs to restart right now. No waiting, no nothing. As soon as I hit enter, it's going to restart. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and I'll wait for the system to restart. Okay, after the system restart, we're going to go ahead and open another PowerShell session as an administrator. Hover over Windows PowerShell, run as an administrator. All right, and now we can check and see if WSL has been installed. I'm going to type in WSL status. Okay, good. It has been installed, and it's also on version 2. That's the version you want to be on. All right, now let's see if Ubuntu was installed along with WSL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in WSL space -- list space -- verbose. I'm going to hit enter, and it's telling me right here that no distribution for Linux has been installed, which is good. Then I can install whatever distribution I want. And it's also giving you the command line you can run to check which Linux distributions you can download on your WSL. So I'm going to copy and paste that wsl.exe -- list space -- online. And I hit enter, and it's going to list the Linux distributions I can install on this computer. So I'm going to install Ubuntu. And if you look it up here, it's also giving you the command line to install. So it is going to be wsl.exe space -- install and the distribution you want. So in this case, I'm going to highlight Ubuntu, and I'm going to paste it down here. I'm going to hit enter, and it's downloading Ubuntu and installing it. And as you can see down here, it went ahead and create the user for the Ubuntu subsystem, and the user that it picked is the user that is currently logged into the computer. In this case, it's me, J. Leo. So I'm going to type in my password, re-enter the password, and there you go. Now you have successfully installed WSL in your Windows system and have downloaded and installed Ubuntu on your Windows system.